Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great at your place. This is Dr. Pawan Tamde, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at MUV Samaj, Nashik. Today, I am going to talk on one of the very important aspect from chemistry students' point of view, that is few useful websites for chemistry students. Many students think that chemistry is one of the difficult subject to understand. But if you ask me, it is not the case. Chemistry is very simple yet interesting subject, and if you work properly on your chemistry subject, you can understand it clearly. And moreover, there are many things in and around us which are not possible to explore if you do not have sufficient knowledge of chemistry. And thus, chemistry is really a important subject from student points of view. In order to learn and understand any science subject, there are some ways. I pointed out some ways over here from my perspective point of view. Some ways to explore specifically chemistry are: you can explore chemistry in classroom, which normally we do. Second is, if you are not able to understand some aspects of chemistry in classroom, then you can go for tuitions. Therein you can find out solution to those problems. Third one is self-study. According to me and my experience, self-study is the one of the key through which you can understand all your doubts of chemistry. Fourth aspect is discussion. If you are having a good groups of friend, or if you are frank with your professor, then it is possible to solve your chemistry doubts. Discussion leads to solve your all the problems of chemistry. And last but not the least, the way to explore chemistry is online resources. Nowadays, number of online resources are available on internet through which you can solve your chemistry doubt, and it will help you to understand your chemistry subject more conveniently and properly. Today I am going to talk on online resources for understanding of chemistry. But when we think of online resources, many things comes to our mind. For example, first of all, the thing which comes to our mind is Google, YouTube. Through Google, through YouTube, and through other search engines, we can get lot of material, and that material can help us to solve our doubts. But there are number of sites, there are number of forum available for such materials, and because of that students get confused that which site should be referred to to clear our doubts. In order to take away this confusion, here in this lecture I am going to show some sites which according to my point of view are more than sufficient to clear your chemistry doubts if you are having any. So let's check those websites or resources. So the first resource from where you can clear your some doubts of chemistry is IUPAC Gold Book. So what is this IUPAC Gold Book? This IUPAC Gold Book is created by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. If you go to that page, it will look something like this. And on this page you can search your doubt. There are two different ways to search. One way is you can search through alphabetical index, or other one is you can search through these additional indexes which is given on this IUPAC Gold Book web page. Now how to search this? Suppose I have some doubt regarding base and I want to search that in this IUPAC Gold Book, then simply in this alphabetical index I can go to letter B and I can go to the term base. Or another way is in this search item, simply I can put base and I will be directed to that particular term over there. So if I click on this base, the information about base will reflect here and the definition and other things are given. Again, if I click to any word which is underlined here, then I will be directed to that particular word or that particular sentence. For example, here is Bronsted base. If I click on Bronsted base, this IUPAC Gold Book will direct me to Bronsted base, and therein I can come to know about what actually Bronsted base is. So this is how this IUPAC Gold Book will help student to clear some of the definition or some of the doubts they are having about chemistry. Okay, I will close it. Now the next is the website which is created by HBCSE. If you go to this website of HBCSE, on this website you will be having one option, that is resources. Click on this option resources, and there you can go to web resources, and this HBCSE has collected number of websites which are created by different institutes, colleges and agencies about chemistry, and you will be directed over there. They enlisted all those websites for the sake of students. So you will get this web page, and on this web page there are different websites. For example, for teaching learning resources you can get handouts and other materials, online videos, web interactive lectures, then virtual labs, chemistry free software and visualizers, and many more things are there which is collected by HBCSE. If you click on this virtual lab, then it will redirect you to some another website which is of Labster, and herein you can find out some good animation from chemistry point of view. For example, if I click on this video, I will.
What if you could give your students access to a fully equipped $1,000,000 laboratory that engages them in science through a highly immersive learning experience? With Labster, you can. Labster offers students access to a realistic lab experience that will let them perform experiments and practice their skills in a fun and risk-free learning environment. Students learn with the help of theory pages and quiz questions and experience immersive 3D.
So on this website, these type of virtual experiment are available. Student can go through these virtual experiments, and they can definitely clear their doubts. So likewise, on this HBCSE website, number of websites are enlisted. If student do a proper study and go through this website, they can sort out some of the best websites suitable for them. Next, chemistry LibreText. If I click on this chemistry LibreText, I will be redirected to its website, and I found this website very interesting and highly understandable. If I click on this subject chemistry, then in LibreText, two different types of things are available. One is courses and other one is bookshelves. Many colleges and institutes have created their courses, and those courses are available on this LibreText, and in the same way some freely available books are available on this web page. So if I click on these courses, I can found the courses which are created by different universities or colleges. So simply you can go to that particular university or college. Say for example, I'm going to click on Harvard University, and there I can find the courses which are developed by that particular institute, and I can access those courses freely on this forum. In the same way, if you go to back pages, you can find out bookshelves. If you click on these bookshelves, you will find out number of books related to chemistry which are categorized according to the subject. For example, if I click on organic chemistry, I can find some books of organic chemistry. If you click on these icons, you will be simply redirected to that particular book, and you can access material of that book. So this is LibreText. Then fourth one is Lumen Learning. If I click on this web, that is Lumen Learning, obviously I will be redirected to Lumen Learning, and this is also a forum where you can find out material created by this particular organizer. So you can simply search here, or you can go to the tabs which are given on this web page. For example, if I click on this VSEPR model, then I will be redirected to material related to VSEPR model, and herein I can see this material. So if suppose I am having any doubt related to this particular theory, I can come here and I can read this material. I can have some animated videos, so which will help me to understand the subject in better way. Apart from this, there are certain sites which I noted here, which are for books, reference books and textbooks of chemistry. So we will go through those. In that, the first one is OpenStax CNX Chemistry. So in this OpenStax CNX Chemistry, number of books for chemistry are available. Simply one can scroll through this website and one can find out different books available. One can go to the subject, then you can choose your subject of interest, say chemistry here. So I can go to chemistry and I can find out some books of chemistry. So these books are available free of cost. So suppose if I want to go through some topic like Bohr model, I can simply click on Bohr model and this book will redirect me to Bohr model. It will tell me everything about Bohr model. On this website, you can search within the book using this search engine search option. Likewise, if you want to find out any topic related to chemistry on this website, simply you can search here and you will be directed to that particular topic. So the next one is OpenText Library. If I click on OpenText Library, again I will be redirected to homepage of this OpenText Library. Here many chemistry books are available for free of cost. Here you can browse books through subjects or you can simply search here. So I will show you one way, browse subject. So I can go to natural sciences and in natural science I can find out chemistry, biology, physics and earth science. As I am interested in chemistry, I will click on chemistry and then I will be redirected to various chemistry books available free of cost on this website. So depending upon my interest, depending upon what kind of book I want, I can simply go to that book and I can either download or read that book online. Say if I want to look into this book, I can simply read this book or I can download this book. Let's move to another web page. Then third one is freebookcenter.net. This is again a website where you can find out free online books, and obviously it also having book from different disciplines and subjects, but as we are interested in chemistry, I will directly go to chemistry and here I can find out different books of chemistry. If I click on some of the books, say for example organic chemistry, I will be redirected to books related to organic chemistry, and here we can get books as well as handouts of lecture notes of some professors of different universities who given their material to this website, and this material is again available free of cost. We can also have some animations and many more things on these websites. The last but not the least is bookboon.com. Bookboon.com is again a site where you can find out free books of all possible subjects. Here you can find out free books of chemistry, you can have basic physical chemistry, introduction to chemistry, and many more books are there. Hundreds of free chemistry books are available on this site, and again depending upon your interest, you can either look into that book or you can simply download that book freely from this website. For example, if I click on this book, Fundamentals of Green Chemistry, then I will be directed to this book and I can simply sign up and download this book from this website. I hope this presentation, this video lecture will be helpful to you to find out some resources online through which you can solve your doubts regarding chemistry. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.